Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, your car is overheating, there is one thing that you must check, especially if you have an older Hyundai Sonata or a Hyundai Sonata that has higher mileage. So we're going to explain what it is, because many of you guys, we had customers that come, they replace water pumps, thermostats, radiator fans, and their car is still overheating. Okay, it could be multiple things. Okay, it could be something serious as well. But if you notice that lately, especially driving slower speeds or in town, your radiator fan is on more than it should guys, okay, it's running more often, we will explain what can actually cause that guys, and that can lead to overheating as well. All that will be covered in this video today. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So we were in the process of replacing AC condenser on that Hyundai Sonata guys. Okay, we put the condenser out and I want to show you what surprise we got here. Something that we didn't expect, but we noticed that this car was getting to run a little bit hot and the radiator fans been on more often usually than it used to be in the past. And between the two radiators, because you have the condenser, also known as AC radiator, on the front side, it looks clean. Okay, you can see it just has some damage from road dirt and maybe you know, rocks, chips, things like that. But between the two radiators, that's where things got nasty guys. That's the main coolant radiator that cools the vehicle, and you can see how plugged up this one is. Okay, it has dust, dirt and all kind of stuff stuck to it that restricts airflow. And that radiator, we've seen some that are way worse than that, even to the point that almost the whole thing is covered with that. You can see it has wheat, like the one that make bread, and the pawns and things like that, all that is stuck in there guys, and that actually restricts the airflow. Calculating this one is probably about 25% plugged up, so you can see it will be way less efficient. So what we recommend once in a while, try to wash the radiator when you go to to the car washes, but be careful not to go with too high of a pressure, because you can damage the paint on the bumper and in some cases even radiators. But you need to wash them guys. Sometimes you may even remove the on your Hyundai Sonata the radiator fan and wash them from the back side, and quite a bit of that stuff will come out. Just get a hose, okay, with a sprayer, and you can spray them really good under high pressure, not even power washer, just a hose with a high pressure nozzle, and that can clean them quite a bit. If not guys, you may need to remove the radiator or the condenser, so you can clean both of them, and that will actually improve your AC cooling, and it will improve the engine cooling as well. So that's quite common guys, and one thing that you need to check, okay, if your car is overheating, because it is bad. You can see higher mileage vehicle, older vehicle, that can easily happen. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.